Are you experiencing a lack of airflow and a stuffy environment inside your Silverado? This could be a sign that your cabin air filter needs to be replaced.
So today I'm going to be showing you guys how quick and easy it is to change your cabin air filter and some of the reasons as to why you're going to want to change it. Let's get into it.
Begin by opening the glove box of your Chevy Silverado. First, unclip the damper from the left side of your glove box. Next, you'll see a small plastic stopper on either side of the glove box that holds it in place. Gently press inwards on both stoppers to release the glove box. Now you'll be able to see the cabin air filter housing. It's a black rectangular shaped box. There is a small latch holding the cover in place on the left side. Unlatch it to remove the cover. You can now take out the old air filter. Carefully pull it out of the housing and dispose of it. Changing the cabin air filter in your Silverado can improve the quality of the air you breathe while driving by reducing dust, pollen, and other airborne particulates. It can also help to increase airflow in the system by allowing air to move freely through the filter. This should be done at least once a year or every 12,000 to 15,000 miles, depending on driving conditions and the environment. Now it's time to install the new air filter. Insert the new filter into the housing, making sure it's properly aligned and fully seated. After installing the new air filter, replace the cover on the housing. Secure it in place using the latch that you previously unlatched. Finally, reinstall the glove box. Align the two stoppers. Gently push the glove box back into place until the stoppers click into their sockets. Once they are in place, replace the clip onto the damper.